Bonjour, this is Julien the Frenchman who makes French pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to say xoxo in French, or kiss kiss, or kisses kisses, because this is what it means really. We'll be looking at how to say more interesting and useful French vocabulary, so make sure to stay tuned and consider subscribing for more learning. How do you say it? Bisou, bisou. Bisou being French for kiss or for kisses as well. That's the plural form here because it's got an S at the end, but the S is silent. It's just to mark the plural form when you write it, but do not pronounce the S at the end. Bisou, 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 bisou. And now you know Bisou Bisou is French for XOXO. And now you know more videos on how to pronounce more interesting and useful French vocabulary and French names whose pronunciations aren't always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching. Merci. Au revoir.